does Marcellus Wallace look like?
Nigger.
What is that?
Nigger.
What? What country you from? What ain't no country I ever heard of? They speak English and what? English, motherfucker! Do you speak it?
What the fuck did you call me?
Motherfucker! Say what again? I dare you. I double dare you, motherfucker. Say what one more goddamn time.
WTF.
Go on.
What the فخور مجال محمد عملية.
You died protecting me, Fuad.
Hello.
You are alive?
Of course, it is my job to be shot in the head.
Is he okay?
He's fine. Luckily, the bullet hit him in the brain.